guys, this is Anisha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another monthly wrap up as a small business owner and a small YouTuber. So let me just start by saying, as you know, Feb is a small month. It has only 28 days, but even after that I did not have as much sale and as much growth as I expected to have in February. So the numbers are not great, but they are kind of better than last month, I guess. So I'm just going to start without wasting any more time and we are going to start with YouTube. So first things first, the positive thing is that it's not much, but we gained one more subscriber than we did last month, which was of 31 days. Guys, you need to remember that. So in Feb we gained a total of 51 subscribers, which is I think great. Just to remind you, in Jan I think we gained 50. Then moving on, as for the total views, it was very less because if you remember, in last month we had one video which reached like 12-15k views, and this month we did not have any video that reached, you know, like about 10k views. It was like pretty flat, if I may say so myself. But even after that, we had one video which was posted on 20th Feb, which was actually make a crochet mirror with me, and that video reached 6,600 views. So just remember, that is a short, not a long form video. And then post that, we had like 4 more videos which crossed 700 views, and then we had 10 videos that crossed the mark of 500, which is not great. If you remember, last month I was hoping that like all of my videos cross 500, but that is still not happening. I tried to see what I can do different, but no matter what kind of video I post, it's just stopping after a certain point. So I just need to keep trying, I guess. And for this month, that is of March, we have some few big projects that I'm thinking of, so I think that might affect, so you need to stay tuned for those details as well. But anyways, so as for the watch hours, we did 146.5 watch hours. Again, this is including the short and long form videos. And another special mention to my one long video, actually, which was similar to this one. It was the January month small creator business wrap video, which I posted on 7th Feb, and it has almost 750 views, which is I think great. I think this is like my most viewed video. For some of you it must be like, oh, 750, that is nothing, but you need to understand, like most of my videos stop after like 150-200 views, so 750 is great for me as a beginner. And also I don't do YouTube full time, I have a 9-to-5 job, so I'm really proud of myself of balancing both, like three things together. It just feels I'm doing 3 jobs at a time. And don't get me wrong, I am not complaining, I love all of those. I love to crochet, I love my crochet business, I love my YouTube channel, and I also love my 9-to-5 job. So yeah, don't get me wrong on that. And if you see all in it together, we have 752. So we did cross the 750 mark, and we also gained 8 subscribers from that video, which is really nice because most of my video just gain like 1 subscriber each, so 8 is great. So that is few of my main things that I want to let you guys know about my YouTube channel. So another thing, I am planning to bring back a series which I was going to do about 3 years ago. So it was related to my cricket and crochet love, so I'm going to talk about it in late video, so stay tuned for that. And now we are going to quickly move ahead to our small business wrap up for the month. Okay, so moving on to my small business wrap. So this month I did not really have a huge order like we did in Jan. One of the reason was because I was busy making inventory for the big event that I'm having actually this weekend. So you are going to see this video on the 7th and the event is on 8th and 9th. So make sure if you are in and around Mumbai, the event is in Nexus Mall, Seawood is, so make sure you visit me. My stall number is 12. So yeah, I will love if you guys come and show up. Also, don't forget to use the code YouTube for 10% off your purchase. And yeah, now let's just go to our February business wrap up. So as for the transactions, we just had 7 transactions this month, which is not great, let me tell you. In January we have 13, so it's like 50%, which is, I think it's not a good sign. From that we had 2 of the custom orders, and then the 5 were from our shop, which is I think okay because I did not put more inventory in the shop because again I was busy prepping for this March event. So I'm hoping that this weekend will be worth every little penny that I spent, because I think I have never spent this much on my business business yet. This was like my biggest investment into my business, signing up for the pop-up. The event is such a big one. It is like in the one of the biggest mall in Mumbai, so obviously the fee was higher than what I would prefer, but I feel that this is such a great opportunity for me and my business, because even if it don't make like a lot of sales, it will provide a great exposure and experience for my business. So I'm really excited about that, and I'll talk about it more next week when we are doing the wrap-up video, and we are going to keep our fingers crossed that it is going to go great. Coming back to our February, so among those 7 transactions, the total was 960 rupees, so we are just shy of that 1000 rupees mark. Also, I want to add that I started taking crochet classes this month as well, so I am going to add the 1500 rupees I received from the crochet classes this month, so we are going to add that as well. Okay, so I have added the 1500 that I received from the crochet classes, and the total earnings that I had in this month was 2460 rupees, which is not great, but it's really nice, I feel. So my plan for March, so first things first, I need to do well at this market. Everything really depends on the market that I'm doing this weekend. I just can't express enough that how important this market is for me. I have spent like the whole month since I registered for it, working hard for it. I made like a lot of inventory. You can check my inventory video. I just posted it before this video, so I'm really excited about everything. That is a mall which I used to go when I was in like junior college, like 11th standard, so I have great memories with it as well. So I'm really excited that my first big event is in that mall. So yeah, I think really excited about it. I am almost done with all of my things. Currently I'm not really making any more products. I'm actually going to finish some of the whip that I have. If you can see in the background, we have this flower pot, so I'm in the process of making more roses, because as you guys know, you can never have enough flowers, because last time I sold out of flowers like quick. So I just want to have more flowers with me this time. And also I have some whips in this bag, like the wearables whips I have in this bag, so I'm going to go ahead and finish. If anyone wants to buy a jacket or a top from me, so I have like options for them as well. And yeah, I think that is it for this video. I'm really sorry that this video was a short one. I just wanted to keep this video separate from our daily vlogs and challenges, so I just decided to make this video as a whole. And I just want to let you guys know that I am not telling you my business transaction or how much I make in a month to moralize or demoralize someone. I just want to be transparent with you guys. I just want to let you know that it's not necessary that you're going to grow quickly. Like, I think most of the success videos that we see, they have like one video blow up, and that's why I think all the beginners get demotivated if their video is not blowing up. So I just want to be here and let you guys know that it's not necessary that some of your video will blow up. Sometimes it takes time and you just need to be patient, but your day will come, so you just need to keep trying. Yeah, and I think I am going to end this video on this positive note. Make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, if you are in and around Navi Mumbai or Mumbai, you can come visit me at Nexus Seawoods Mall. I will leave all the details in the description box below, so make sure you check that out and leave a comment and wish me luck in those comments. And I hope to see you next week with another video. Bye.